Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be going through NIO again because I'm highly bullish on this stock. I personally think the next generation, decade, 15 to 20 years is gonna be surely the time for electric vehicle. It's gonna be their market. They're gonna dominate and they're gonna take over. And some of the companies, including NIO, Tesla, Ford, recently talked about spending 30 billion on electrification of their models. So I think this is their future. And NIO, being the local Chinese company, being their premium Chinese company, highly backed by the Chinese government, I personally think that NIO is gonna dominate. Of course, they have given a seasonal pass at this point to Tesla, so that Tesla can produce as well as sell their cars in China. But overall, if you can't win at your home country, you cannot win nowhere else. And surely Chinese government, being the massive support for NIO and being working together with NIO, will want to make NIO being a winner on the longer term, especially with what's going on with China and the States. The relationships are always at this turmoil point. So I think on the longer run, NIO will dominate. We know that China is the biggest electric vehicle market. They are at this point covering 41% of the market overall, compared to the states, which are merely 2.4%. And that means that NIO will surely be one hell of a company on the longer term in the EV sector. So I wanted to talk about NIO overall, seeing so much potential and having such strong fundamentals. This company is going to be one monster of a company. Not long back, a week ago, the stock was trading at 34 and it had these 4 to 5 consistent green days. It went to 39 and then there is some small correction from yesterday onward. It was down in the after hours. You can see it is down slightly, so there is some slight correction, but I personally think that this run might continue as overall the market is getting its momentum and its bullish trend slightly back though. So I'm gonna wait. And as I've mentioned before, that every time NIO has been dropping, I have tried my extreme best to watch it and load up on it. So I'm quite bullish on NIO and have been dollar cost averaging, and this point I have plenty of NIO stocks. I'm quite happy with it and I'm gonna be keep on loading it because I personally think this is gonna be one giant company in the future. So that was my point of view on NIO. I see a lot of potential on NIO on the longer term, just like the Wall Street gurus, which sees it as a stock of $60 in the next 12 months from the current price of 38. That is almost 57 to 58% upside potential, and that is quite good, indicating that this stock for sure is a strong buy. 7 of these analysts out of those 10 to 12 analysts are considering this stock a buy. So this was my point of view on NIO. I'm highly bullish on NIO and I see the electric market being the future and NIO being one hell of a giant local Chinese company. Remember, China is dominating the EV sector. They want by end of 2025 20% of their cars being EV, and by end of 2030 90% of all the Chinese cars being electric vehicle cars. Their premium primary company backed massively by the Chinese government is NIO. So you can do your own calculation and research and imagine what a big company NIO will be in the future. The other thing I want to talk about is AMC. AMC Entertainment. I'm highly bullish on this stock at the moment, being a trader and a swing trader occasionally as well. To be honest, in the last 2 to 3 days I've been watching this. Did not invest in AMC at the moment, but early on in January, in the beginning of this year, alongside GameStop, when AMC and EXPR was there, I tried to buy some shares of AMC and I did make some money, but then I immediately had to sell it. This is one hell of a movement from the retail investor against the big hedge funds. These big dogs on the Wall Street have been playing with all those common retail investors and making money of those poor people. And I'm, of course, seeing it through the side. I'm watching the stock, but I am in for the moment. I think what these retail investors are doing, or this Reddit forum play is, I'm for this moment. And I think the time has come where these big hedge funds realize that they cannot make money of those poor retail investors. There is no one to judge those big hedge funds in the market. The market has not been fair because of these big hedge funds, and that's why this movement is for the good cause. They want this stock to get short squeezed, and they want to make money of the stock going down. But this movement of this stock going high and being pushed up by those retail investors is very interesting. And for the moment, I'm not gonna recommend to buy this stock or do some trading with it, because it's very risky, especially if you are not able to afford the money that you are investing it. This is your only source of saving, so to say. I would not recommend. But if you can afford losing some portion of money, of course, why not put a limit and then do some small amount of investment or trading. And but always remember to put the limit on the dropping as well as on the gains as well. So that was my brief Saturday video for you. Just wanted to let you know that NIO is the future, and what is going on with AMC is very, very interesting. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and become part of the community. Also hit that notification bell, because I'm going to be making a lot of videos about those growth stocks with massive potential in the future as well. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.